Hello, today we're replacing the battery in a key fob. It's the DENSO 14FBA FOB. It's commonly used among Toyota products. However, other brands also uses this. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, and if you like this video at the end, make sure you give me the thumbs up and click on the notification bell if you wish to get notifications of my future broadcasts. Today we're going to attempt changing the battery without any tools. This fob is missing the release button for the key. We have ordered a replacement, but until it comes in, we're going to use this as our little demo. What you would do is press the release button, pull the key out, and using this in the end, you would pry open the casing just by simply inserting and twisting. It should pop right off. Now be careful not to rip it open quickly, just slightly pull and it should pop open. These are your connectors for your buttons. You would just simply turn it over and there's your battery. This is a commonly used battery, CR2032. And using the same key from your fob, very carefully insert it under the battery and slightly push in and twist. You're doing this at your own risk because you want to be careful not to, one, break the plastic connectors at the end or damage the connector underneath the battery. Removing and disposing of the old battery. We have a package of new ones. Just pop one out. Holding in your hand, push it in and gently push down and it should lock in place. Place it back in the casing. Make sure you set it in the proper direction. Place the outer case back on. Gently pressing down and everything snaps back in place. You've now replaced your battery. And that is how you replace the battery on the DENSO 14FBA key fob. Thanks again for watching and please subscribe to the channel. And remember, give me the thumbs up if you like this video.